August 5th, 2024, at a work assignment, Addison, Vermont. We are parked at the location. We are at some forestry equipment operation. That's the homestead. We're parked over here. I'm not going over there because it is all dirt and mud. We're staying here in the grassy area. We just had a little walk. Willie was even out there. Willie was already out for a walk. We had to get out there for the fresh air. Get his feet on the grass. Planning ahead for going on the road, I made a roast chicken, mayo, and it's a quick and easy lunch. You can make it into a sandwich or slice it, eat it cold. Smuggler's Notch Distillery. Oh, I don't want to get the porta potties in the photo. Tom, you're supposed to pose for a photo. He's too busy. Okay, you ready?
Hey.
See? All right, here we go. Excellent. Very nice.
You're supposed to do it. Hey.
Oh, isn't that nice? Not even.
Or less.
Not even. It might be 20 minutes. Belle, you're not sitting up. Whiskey and the chef are going to get a tour inside that building. They're going to see a collection of cars. This is an area where tables are set up. They have live music there. This is inside that barn. He has an antique collection, some things for sale. Another area with more things to look at. Cars hanging from the ceiling. Cars on display. And more cars and collections of things. This is the chef with one of the trucks in the collection. And then there's a deck, and they have events there. Whoa. It's the blue heron that just flew off. The porta potties are here because they do events. Nice hydrangea there.
Sure is, isn't there? Old houses.
We're at a dairy farm. We're at a dairy farm in Enosburg Falls, Vermont. These are the baby cows. Hi, baby cows. They're very curious. Belle's looking at the cows. And there's Willie. I know. You want to come out? Let's see. Let's see. You watching the cows? Willie's ready to make his escape. Come on, let's go, Willie. You were dying to get out. You coming? Here he comes. He couldn't wait. Couldn't wait to get out of there. Come on. He says, oh, I know where I am. There he goes. He's running for the door. I think he would run right there. Let's see. There he goes. He's going right in. What a good kitty.